A meeting was held today at the Northeastern Hill University premises on the implementation of the Common University Entrance Test in the state. Speaking on behalf of the university, its public relations officer, Davidson Pungro, informed that the Common University Entrance Test will be made mandatory for all students seeking admission at the undergraduate level of all colleges affiliated to NEHU, as well as for those who would like to pursue higher studies at the university. Pungrup further informed that the onus of its implementation lies with the National Testing Agency, which would cater to the number of testing centers across the state.
The collective decision from both the State Education Department and Northeastern Hill University is that the CUET will go ahead. It is compulsory for all the students who are taking admissions into UG courses of colleges affiliated to Northeastern Hill University and the students seeking admission into the university. CUET is compulsory, and this is not coming from Northeastern Hill University. It is the order or notice from UGC, which is the authorizing body which is looking after the higher education system, and collectively the State Education Department and Northeastern Hill University has decided to go ahead with CET and to sensitize the colleges, the students and the higher secondary schools, teachers, principals and students about what CET is all about.
Okay. In the meanwhile, Meghalaya's Education Minister Lakmen Rimbui informed on the components of the Common University Entrance Test, which has been notified by the University Grants Commission or UGC to the state, and also on ways and means to familiarize students with the particular test.
The tests have a different component, and one of the English, then language, then based on the text, and also the general test if the student opt. Depend upon which course which subject they want to pursue in their graduation. But yes, the test will be based at least for the thing in the NCERT textbook. So, but the student have learned, because most of the curriculum is more or less same. But I hope that it will not be. It will be a big. In the mind of the student, there will be some problem. But I hope that they could overcome it. And seeing this trend, we also from the state government will see in the next 1 or 2 academic session how to go with it, so that the student should be competitive. As we have seen that the Meghalaya government is very proactive how to help the student. In 2018, as soon as this government this government, we have seen that JEE or NEET have been conducted based on the seniority textbook. So we also, without losing any much time, we adopt NCERT textbook for science and commerce during that time. So we will do whatever necessary to be done, so that in future our student community will not suffer or will not be deprived of the opportunity to go to higher studies due to the lack of clarity of policy.